And we're back. Okay. Technical difficulties and whatnot. Why not? So, now you see where Mousy goes. And we see the sticky note. Maybe. Maybe. Aha! Doom. And my wife is calling me. Uno momento. Hello? Hi. Not anymore. Neat. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What are you talking about? Oh, cool. Uh, yeah, that would be good. Well, if you're set up to monetize, that would probably be the way to go. I don't know. Yeah, I guess I am. I don't know. Am I? Am I online? Is this real time? Am I talking to somebody through YouTube?
I can't find it.
Oh, neat. Okay. That's awesome. I am. That's true. Okay, cool. I picked another picture, so. You can hear yourself. It's like magic, man. Oh, I can hear me through your phone, through you, through me. Yeah. Does it pick up when I fart, too? Excuse me, everybody. Anyhow, it's kind of weird. I will talk to somebody later. Goodbye, somebody. All right. Good times. Yeah.
I can't find it.
Let's see. Now I am going to have to do something. What is my channel name? Nobody is subscribed to me. Yeah. 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 Stuff. Let's see if this pulls up anything negative. Yeah, go talk to the woman upstairs about that. Anyhow, less doom. Let's move the doom into the other doom bucket. And maybe do some stuff and some things. So, yes, these are going to make life a better. I need like a little platform thing, like right down in this corner, right over here somewhere, so we can see some note cards right around here, this little place, and figure out how to do some lighting that's not a lamp. What else? What else? What else? What else? Maybe spend some actual time on the screen. Who knows? You know? One thing that's cool about, so instead of doing a window capture, I'm now doing a screen capture with OBS. And the scenes thing is pretty neat, actually. Hey, Jessica Ellenson just subscribed to my channel. Thank you, Jessica. I don't like that your full name is in there. And now, for something completely different. So this should be showing fusion. Is it? Is it not? Looks like it is. But according to the YouTube, oh wait, I'm way behind. Okay, yes, it is Fusion 360. Okay, yeah, that's the stuff. Yeah, so this was pretty straightforward, and we'll just go ahead and make one quick from scratch, just so you can see my process. So this is Fusion 360. I am grandfathered into a what's it called? Entrepreneur license. And what I've done so far is I've adjusted the front face. So this seems a little strange, but the front is actually everything's relative to, so you have your X and Y. So your Z is coming straight at you in this instance, you know. Yeah, so back to the front. Since we've already picked a sketch, I'm going to go ahead and make the wheel portion of this, and because I like things nice and neat and wonderful, I'm going to make it 30 millimeters. I'm pushing C to create a circle on a center, but you can achieve the same thing by going to sketch, going to circle, and going to center diameter circle, which is also a hotkey to C. And now here I will make this here, and I'll say 7, why not? And I'll go over here and I'll say push the C key, and wait a minute, it's not locking on. Why? There we go. 7 again. So you can trick it into following your coordinates. So we're going to go y positive here, and what you do is you start from a center point, and it'll automatically create a line to follow. Pretty neat. You can also create a line like so, and then I would go ahead and select that line and push X, which just makes it a measurement instead of a line. And then I would push C again, and then I would push 7 again, and because of that weirdness again, OCDness, whatever you want to call it, 7, enter, enter. And voila, the simple version. So, the not so simple bits are going to be along here. And mostly because I just don't know how to do it yet. However, 15 by 45 degrees will give us our perfect measurement to this point. And if we then go from here, it will follow that line by the 45 degrees, or 135 in the opposite direction. And here to here, and here to this one. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now I push Control and I select multiple things, and I push X to make them measury stuff, and I push Delete to get rid of that one altogether, and then I push C and 7 and enter, enter, and then I push C and then click here and then push 7, enter, enter. You get the idea. Just gonna finish up these right the quick and in the hurry, and voila. Now we don't need to know that. What we need to do is right click here and press pull, and what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to actually give it some dimension on our z-axis. 4 millimeters is plenty for what this is, just a thumb screw. And I really, Gesundheit, really like camphor. I like a nice 45 to things, so I'm going to select that. I'm going to select all of my points, and because this is big enough to accommodate 1 millimeter, I'm going to chamfer by 1. Click OK, and there it is. Now, we need to drill a hole in this. So you can do a circle, and it's okay, but I find that the better thing to do here is actually a hole. So bear with me here. I'm just going to go ahead and use this as the hole. Okay. And I am going to thread the hole. And when I do that, I can actually select specifically what I'm looking for. And I'm using number 6 machine screws. So 6 by 32 unified screws. And because the thread was there earlier, this just works. Pretty awesome. Fusion 360 is amazingly powerful, and that it will remember the hole. It adjusts the chamfer. It's kind of magical stuff. And at this point, I am essentially ready to save my project. I would give it a name: bed thumb screw demo. Dun 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 dun. Alright, now we want to make this a 3D print. So you click up here where it says Make a 3D print. And this can send it to utility, but not too keen on that right yet. So I just allow high refinement, select the piece that you're working, and sometimes when you're using multiple geometries in this, it's easier just to select the body. Click OK, and it should default to the name you've given the specific piece. Okay, so now we are going to check on what's happening. We are 18 of 20 layers, like so. Shows we got 3 minutes 49 seconds left. After that, we will be able to place our dun 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 object. So this is what I just made. If you couldn't tell, the dun 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 dun. Kind of a dead giveaway. Whoa, trippy man. So looks like the threads didn't register. No thread. No good. So let's go back to Fusion and figure out the why. Why no threads? Let us edit feature. Thread. Mold. Okie dokie. And now, save. Threads. Okay, there. Pesky S. And once again, make, click the stuff, click OK. I'm just gonna say this guy again. Yes, I want to replace it. Over here, yeah, I want to replace you. Hey, what do you know? Boopity boo. We have threads. And make sure we're centered and zoomified. And 2 minutes. Duh. Alright. And my cat goes tearing off. Huh. The bubble must have won that fight. Yeah. How goes it? Is it a good?
Good. It's a little off.
Yo.
Feed's a little off.
Yeah, that would do that. Because you're processing all of this is going through the internet. So, hand now, and then through the magic of YouTube, we have, what, 5 second, 6 second, 7 second-ish delay. Yeah, it is what it is. But that's the cloud and the stuff, and the computational factors and whatnots. That's where the magic happens. People are gonna hear you say, "Cool, man. Cool. Cool." In 6 seconds, you will hear me say, "Cool." So, looking at my analytics, there are 3 people watching. What the what? 4 playbacks. Stream status good, 720p. That's good. Chat rate 0. Nobody wants to chat? Why not? I'm going to close this window, and what would be super cool is if I could see who was watching me. Maybe that's a thing, maybe not. I have a lot to learn about this streaming stuff. What is a card? What is a thumbnail? Oh, it's done. It's done. Ooh, that's happy looking too. Bed leveling, man. It's just about everything. All right, spatula. No spatula. There's a spatula over here. It's let me zoom out a piece, like so, and then we're gonna spatula. Oh, that's good connection. Oh, that's really good. That, you know what? The hairspray on PLA is amazing for getting pieces to really adhere to the bed. And, honestly, I should let this cool down to something below 50 Celsius so I don't warp my pieces. And with the extruder slowed down, what I can do is I'll cheat the system a little bit. I'll kick the fan back on, and that will, the cooling bit here actually does a really good job. This has made all the difference in my prints. But what I also like to do with it is use it to cool my pieces a bit more, just to get, reduce the bed temperature that much faster. So we are getting closer to 1 degree Celsius drop per 10 seconds, whereas the cork that is adhered to the bottom of the bed has also done a very good job of insulating. So maintaining that temperature has been nice too. Let's move to the left. Let's increase the size. Hey, there's my son waving. 6 seconds ago. That I just seen the screen. Wait, no, that was just now. Oh, sunception. Oh my gosh. Okie dokie. Back to what you mere mortals call reality. Let's see if we can get a twofer. Oh, nope. Good adherence though. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Very smooth. And decently smooth. So this will now go under here, and mount to the back threads here. But I think they turned out pretty decent. I don't know how close we can actually get focus. But yeah, that's a happy part. And I'm going to go ahead and thread this with my super technical screw and a drill method. So it is already threaded, but this just gives it that little extra oomph. Now I want it to be tight because this is functioning as a lock nut, so I don't want it to be slipping. And the thing is there with this bed. Sorry about that noise. This is probably a loud drill. I want them to retain tension on the bed so it keeps the strings in place. Is the hand mimicking what I'm saying? Wah 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 mommy. Hand puppets. Dig it. Alright, you sit. And gonna drill some more. Not so close to the microphone. Ah! And by drill I mean I'm gonna cross thread some more. No! There we go. Oh! Yeah. Oh! Ah! Everybody's a comedian. All right. So, that was that. Was that. And, you know, since we are interneting and whatnot, maybe I should put on a shirt. Yeah, later.